Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can practically change channel information and also their channel override as well. So here you can just edit channel on a voice channel, and then here is where you can add change the region override. So select the override. So mine one is currently on automatic, but for instance the server is very laggy and the network isn't stable, you can choose the closest one to your country if it isn't listed here. I usually choose Singapore or Sydney. And to change an information, you go to the text channel. You can't do it on a voice channel. Go to text channel, select edit channel, and here's where you can edit the channel topic. This channel is a fact, for fishing in Disney Dreamlight Valley, something like that, and then just press save changes. Once you're done, the information will be here. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!